Everyone says earthquakes are natural disasters, right? But here's a little shakeup for your brain. Earthquakes are not natural disasters. Yes, you heard it right. They are not natural disasters. An earthquake is a natural hazard. It is a natural event that has the potential to harm people and the environment, but doesn't always lead to a disaster. It only becomes a disaster when it hits people and communities that are unprepared. Example, a strong earthquake under the ocean? No people, no disaster. The same earthquake under a city with weak buildings, then that's a disaster. So clearly, it's not the ground's fault. It's about how exposed and vulnerable we are and how much capacity we have to cope as a community. We cannot stop earthquakes from happening, but we can stop them from becoming disasters by building safer homes, preparing, and staying aware. And when we say preparation, it is not just an individual job. Governments and other institutions must enforce building codes, plan safe cities, and educate citizens. Because when everyone does their part, from citizens to leaders, hazards don't have to turn into disasters.